I once bought a smart oven that burned the pizza, undercooked the chicken, and needed an app update before it would toast bread. Brilliant. Choosing one is tricky because every model promises faster cooking, perfect crisping, and fewer appliances. But capacity, controls, probes, and real convenience separate the useful ovens from expensive countertop furniture. So I compared 6 popular options, including where they struggle, and the number one pick has one feature that makes everyday cooking almost unfairly easy. 6. Tovala Smart Oven Pro. The Tovala is best for busy singles or couples who want dinner handled with almost no preparation. Its headline feature is Scan to Cook. Scan the QR code on a Tovala meal or the barcode on one of more than 1,000 compatible grocery products, place the food inside, and press Start. The oven automatically moves between cooking modes instead of relying on one fixed temperature. That part feels genuinely smart, not smart because somebody added Wi-Fi to a toaster. You get 6 functions: bake, broil, toast, reheat, air fry, and steam. Steam is the feature I appreciate most because it helps chicken, fish, and leftovers retain moisture instead of developing that sad, dried-out texture. It can also improve bread and vegetables by combining moist heat with convection. The companion app lets you build automated cooking cycles so you can begin with steam, move into baking, and finish under the broiler. That works especially well for food that needs a juicy center and browned exterior. The controls are approachable too, which makes this a friendly entry point into smart cooking. Well, here's the catch. The interior fits roughly a 10-inch pizza, a 4-pound chicken, or 2 matching Tovala meal trays. That's fine for 1 or 2 people, but families may find it limiting. Different Tovala meals can't necessarily cook together because their programmed cycles may not match. The meal service is convenient, but it's also where costs can climb. Meals generally start around $9.99 per serving, and discounted oven offers may require multiple meal orders. Number 5. GE Profile UltraFast Smart Air Fry Oven. The GE Profile is best for impatient cooks who hate waiting for an oven to preheat. Its zero preheat system lets you select a mode, set the temperature, and start cooking immediately. You get 11 presets including air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, pizza, cookies, pastry, reheat, bagel, and warm. It can reach 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving pizza and roasted vegetables enough heat to brown properly. Capacity is another strong point. It can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, a 13 by 9-inch cake, or a chicken weighing up to 7 pounds. The oven light is bright, the interior is easy to inspect, and food generally cooks faster than it would in a full-size oven without heating the entire kitchen. I especially like the high-rise door. Press the release and the door lifts over the oven rather than dropping onto the counter. That gives you more working room and reduces the awkward move where you reach across scorching glass while trying not to sacrifice your knuckles. Wi-Fi connectivity adds guided recipes and remote time or temperature adjustments. It sounds useful, although the physical controls remain the faster choice for simple jobs. And that brings us to the frustration. The capacitive time and temperature buttons can feel slow when you want to make quick adjustments. It's also a fairly large, deep appliance that needs 4 inches of clearance around it. The chimes, latch, and air fry fan can be loud, while some owners report app connection problems. Cooking performance is strong, but the noisy personality and sometimes fussy interface keep it at number 5. 4. Typhur Sink Oven. The Typhur sink is best for meat lovers who care more about exact doneness than guesswork. Its defining feature is a built-in waterless temperature probe with 5 internal sensors and claimed accuracy within half a degree Fahrenheit. Choose beef, poultry, pork, lamb, or fish, select your preferred doneness, and the oven tracks the center temperature before stopping automatically. No wire hanging through the door, no repeated stabbing with a thermometer. The 27-quart cavity provides enough space for a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or a whole chicken. 12 modes cover roast, bake, air fry, broil, pizza, cookies, toast, bagel, proof, reheat, dehydrate, and keep warm. 3 fan speeds provide more control than the average countertop oven. Load it with chicken and vegetables, place the probe correctly, and you can cook the entire meal around the meat's internal temperature instead of an unreliable timer. That matters because a thick chicken and a thin chicken do not care that the recipe says cook for 45 minutes. The oven also connects to Typhur's app for temperature monitoring and recipe guidance. The display feels cleaner than the button-heavy panels on many multifunction ovens. It still requires some learning, but the probe system removes the most stressful part of roasting expensive cuts of meat. It isn't flawless. Toasting can be slow, some foods may need extra time, and the exterior becomes hot. The oven may also behave awkwardly if the probe isn't returned to its charging dock. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Smart Double Oven. The Ninja Foodi is best for families who need 2 foods finished together without mixing flavors. Pull the flex door one way and you access only the small upper oven. Open the full door and both cooking chambers become available. You can toast bagels upstairs while air frying chicken downstairs, using separate temperatures and times. Flavor Seal helps stop smells from crossing between the 2 sections. Smart Finish synchronizes both ovens so their cooking cycles end together. That is the feature families will actually use. Nobody wants crispy wings at 6:20 and a pizza that finally finishes at 6:35 while everybody stares at the cooling wings. The upper chamber handles baking, broiling, reheating, keeping warm, bagels, and toast. The larger lower chamber offers air fry, convection bake, pizza, air roast, whole roast, and dehydrate. Together, they can hold 6 pounds of wings and a 12-inch pizza, enough food for a busy family meal. A leave-in thermometer monitors meat temperature, taking the uncertainty out of roasting. The upper chamber heats quickly for snacks, while the lower chamber handles foods needing stronger convection. You know, it feels less like one oven with gimmicks and more like 2 specialized ovens stacked intelligently. Naturally, the split design limits the height of each cavity, and the control panel takes a few uses to understand. But if your main problem is coordinating different foods, the Ninja solves it better than most single-cavity competitors. NuWave Bravo XL Pro. The NuWave is best for hands-on cooks who want maximum control, capacity, and crisping power. This 30-quart oven offers a temperature range from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 primary cooking functions, 100 programmed recipes, and space to save custom presets. It can handle a 13-inch pizza or a chicken weighing up to 10 pounds, making it practical for larger meals. The upgraded convection fan circulates air aggressively, producing crisp fries, wings, and breaded fish without drowning them in oil. Multiple rack positions allow you to cook across more than one level, while 3 fan speeds help you choose between gentle baking and stronger air frying. Here's what matters. You can independently adjust the upper and lower heating elements. For pizza, send more power toward the bottom to crisp the crust, while reducing the top heat to avoid burning the cheese. That control is rare, and once you understand it, it becomes surprisingly addictive. The included wired probe monitors internal food temperature and ends cooking when the target is reached. There are also preheat, warm, sear, slow cook, proof, grill, and dehydrate options. In other words, this can replace several appliances without feeling compromised at every job. The crowded control panel creates a learning curve, and 100 presets sound more useful than they initially feel. But after saving a few personal settings, operation becomes much faster. For cooks who enjoy control rather than one-button automation, the Bravo XL Pro offers exceptional flexibility. Chef IQ Mini Oven. The Chef IQ is best for anyone wanting smart guidance, serious cooking range, and simple touchscreen control in one polished appliance. Its 25-quart cavity fits a 13-inch pizza or a 9 by 13-inch pan, yet the exterior remains reasonably compact. The temperature range runs from 70 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, covering everything from proofing dough and dehydrating fruit to roasting vegetables and broiling steak. 11 functions include bake, roast, air fry, dehydrate, toast, slow cook, broil, air broil, reheat, keep warm, and proof. The color touchscreen presents those choices clearly rather than forcing you to decode tiny abbreviations or repeatedly tap the same button. You can chain two functions together, which is fantastic for recipes requiring different stages. Roast chicken first, then automatically switch to air broil for crispier skin. The oven also remembers cooking history and favorites, so the exact settings that nailed last night's dinner are easy to repeat. Connect the Chef IQ app for remote control, guided settings, and temperature monitoring. Pairing an optional IQ Sense thermometer adds internal temperature tracking for meat. Even without the probe, the presets and touchscreen make experimentation feel controlled rather than, well, like gambling with an expensive ribeye. The MiniOven takes number one because its intelligence supports the cooking instead of complicating it. It has useful capacity, a broad temperature range, thoughtful multi-stage cooking, and controls normal people can understand. If you want one countertop oven that feels capable on day one but becomes more useful over time, this is the one I'd choose.